On today's episode of Dadvice, we're baking in my kitchen. The girls haven't told me what I'm baking, but I'm up for a challenge, so bring it. Hi, I'm Jason Simard, father of 3 boys, husband to an incredible wife, and one on the way. Real estate agent by day, family man by night. There's nothing I can't handle.
It's a girl!
This is gonna be the best unicorn cake ever. Bring it on, let's go. Where's the instructions?
Okay, wait a minute. No,
What?
we're gonna challenge you here today. So, Jason's gonna bake the cake today, but we're gonna do it wearing these.
What is this?
These are nails that we're gonna put on you to challenge you today on this episode. You're gonna bake the whole cake with those on, and we'll see how many you'll have at the end of the show.
Did Paige put you up to this again?
Paige, seriously? Ah, so weird.
Let's get started. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. What's a whisk? Whisk. Learning. Nailed it. 8 left, baby. I can't find one of the nails. I don't know where it is. Like, there's one here, but there's one it might be in the cake. I don't know. I can't find it. So the cakes came out of the oven beautifully. We let them cool. We're about to ice each cake. So you want to start with your very first layer, and then you're gonna put some icing around it. You gotta be gentle here because your cake might be a little flaky. We all have somebody flaky in our life, don't we? I mean, it looks just like the photo. I mean, I can't even believe my own work. So I'm really proud to display this amazing cake with multiple layers. I really think I nailed it. If you're looking for someone to make a cake for your family, for a son, daughter on their birthday, give me a call. Sims Eats. It's a new bakery that we're gonna be doing part-time, and we look forward to taking the amount of calls that people are gonna send our way because we're so good at it.